Good morning, my dear students. I am starting your next question of exercise 10.2 11. Show that the vectors 2I cap minus 3j cap plus 4k cap and minus 4I cap plus 6j cap minus 8k cap are collinear. Let given vectors are A and B. A is equal to 2I cap minus 3j cap plus 4k cap and B vector is equal to minus 4I cap plus 6j cap minus 8k cap. Here we see B vector is equal to minus 4I cap plus 6j cap minus 8k cap. Here we take common as minus 2. Here is as 2I cap plus minus 3j cap plus 4k cap is equal to minus 2. It is the value of A vector. So you can write A vector. Write that B vector is equal to lambda A vector, where lambda is a scalar. It means B vector and A vector are parallel to each other. Then B vector and A vector are collinear because we have read about collinear vectors. Two and more than two vectors are said to be collinear vectors if they are parallel to each other or they are parallel to a given line. So here given A vector and B vectors are collinear because B vector and A vectors are parallel to each other. So A and B are collinear. Proved. We see some example of collinear vectors. Let A vector is equal to I cap and B vector is equal to 5I cap. Here we see that V vector is equal to 5I cap is equal to 5I cap is equal to A vector. Imply that V vector is equal to lambda A vector. Here let's obtain where lambda is a scalar. Here given both vectors A and B are parallel to each other because A and B vectors are present on x-axis. So we can say both vectors A and B are collinear vectors. We take other example of parallel vectors. A vector is equal to I cap and B vector is equal to 2 by 3 into I cap. You see here, B vector is equal to 2 by 3 I cap. Imply that B vector is equal to 2 by 3 I cap is equal to A vector. Imply that B vector is equal to lambda A vector. We see here form is obtained as B vector is equal to lambda A vector. Here also B vector is equal to lambda A vector. Here given example, A vector and B vector are parallel to each other because they are present on x-axis. So we can say about A vector and B vector are collinear vectors. Here also form obtained B vector is equal to lambda A vector. So A vector and B vector are collinear. Here also A and B are collinear. Here also A and B are collinear. Because A and B are parallel to each other. You can also write as here. Next question 12. Find the direction cosines of the vector I cap plus 2j cap plus 3k cap. Let given vector is A vector. A vector is equal to I cap plus 2j cap plus 3k cap. Here x is equal to 1, y is equal to 2, z is equal to 3. First of all, we know about direction cosines. Direction cosines is equal to x upon under root x square plus y square plus z square, comma y upon under root x square plus y square plus z square, comma z upon under root x square plus y square plus z square. It is also written as x upon magnitude of A, comma y upon magnitude of A, comma z upon magnitude of A. You can find here magnitude of A is equal to under root x square plus y square plus z square is equal to under root 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square is equal to 1 plus 4 plus 9 is equal to under root 14. It is also called L M N. It is also written as cos alpha, cos beta, cos gamma. Now we can find direction cosines of the vector I cap plus 2j cap plus 3k cap. Direction cosines is equal to x upon magnitude of a comma y upon magnitude of a comma z upon magnitude of a is equal to 1 by the value of magnitude of a is equal to under root 14. 2 by under root 14. 3 upon under root 14. This is our answer. If question is saying from us direction cosines, then we can write direction cosines is equal to x upon under root x square plus y square plus z square, comma y upon under root x square plus y square plus z square, comma z upon under root x square plus y square plus z square. But question is saying from us direction ratios, then direction ratios of given vectors A is equal to x comma y comma z. Example, A vector is equal to 3i cap plus 4j cap plus 7k cap, then direction ratios is equal to x, y, z. Here x is equal to 3, y is equal to 4, z is equal to 7. It means x is equal to 3, y is equal to 4, z is equal to 7. This is our answer of direction ratios. I hope you understand. Thanks for watching this video.